friends, welcome to another video from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. My name is Stan. In this video today, I'm going to talk about a very interesting question that I often get from a different kind of people, different groups of people, and I wanted to answer this question in this video today. The thing is, everybody knows that I have left my job and I've left the big city life and I've come back to my native place and I've been doing freelancing for almost 6 years now full time. Okay, now what are the different things that I thought of while getting into freelancing, and what are the things that you should also think if you intend to become a freelancer and take it up as a full-time career. So watch this video if you have this question in mind, and I'm sure you'll get all your doubts cleared. If you're new to this channel and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, because I create content about freelancing, about how to earn money online, and all the different aspects of a freelancer's life. Okay, what are the different things that you should talk about or you should think about as a freelancer when you are in at. Okay, so watch this video till the end. The very first important thing is that freelancing gives you a way to express yourself. I know there are a lot of people, some of them are introvert, they do not like talking to people, they cannot express themselves freely to everybody. Freelancing actually gives you a way where you can do things which you want to do, not things that were supposed to or designed for you. Okay, there are probably peer pressure or parents pressure to do something different or do something which you may not be liking, but freelancing gives you a way where you can decide what you want to do. If you want to be a graphic designer, you want to be a singer, if you want to be a professional YouTuber, whatever you want to do, you can be when you are a freelancer. Like, that is a very, very big point, and that was one of the main reasons that I took to freelancing, and that actually ultimately led me to, or made me, or helped me to leave my job and choose this career. In freelancing, you can be your own boss. Okay, you don't have to take orders from somebody, you don't have to listen to people nagging around saying, did you do this, did you do that. It's all up to you. Okay, I understand that there will be client pressure. It is similar to what you get in offices, in corporates, but then it's still your own. If you decide that you do not want to work with that person, you can change your client, you can just say no to him, that boss, I don't want to work with him, look for someone else. That is up to you. Okay, same thing is there in job change also, but then it's little difficult, because in job change it's a long-term process. In freelancing, changing clients is very quick, because you do not have a plethora of clients with whom you work continuously. The essence of freelancing is this, that you are working with different clients at different times, and it's up to you whether you want to continue with somebody else or not. Okay, so that is the thing, you can be your own boss when you are a freelancer. Freelancing also gives you the power to be anywhere, to work from anywhere that you choose to. Okay, you can be traveling, you can be going to different places and still working from those places. All you need is a good internet connection and incessant power connection. Okay, you need to have your laptop on. So if you are a digital freelancer, you can be working from anywhere around the globe. That is a big plus which you do not get in normal traditional jobs. The next important thing that many people have in mind is that whether I can make a career out of freelancing or not. You can definitely make a full-time career with only doing freelancing work. Okay, there are lots of freelancers, and over the pandemic last 2-3 years, you have seen a lot of more people getting into freelancing. Some of them were forced to, because they lost their jobs, and there are other people who took to freelancing because they found or they saw the advantages of being a freelancer. Okay, so freelancing can be a complete career, a full-fledged career, and it can actually keep you engaged for more than like 10-12 hours every day if you choose to. That all depends on what you want to do, how you want to do, or what kind of career you want out of freelancing. Okay, so there are people who are working like 4 to 5 hours a day and still earning to a certain level that can lead their life in a good way. There are people who are working like 12, 14 hours and they are very happy with what they are doing as a freelancer. So freelancing, yes, can be a full-time career, it can be a complete career. If you choose to do, if you want to go to that line, you can be very proud of what you are doing. The most important thing about freelancing is that you can start for free. You do not have to pay anyone. You can just create a profile. You can probably learn skills on YouTube, which is also for free. Create a profile on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, people per hour, and there are plethora of new sites which are coming up, and you can create your profile and get started for free, absolutely free. Now when I say absolutely free, you are not paying for any extra thing you might need in a traditional job or something. Okay, now people would say that I have to buy a computer. If I'm a YouTuber, I have to buy a camera. Those things are obviously there is some kind of investment. It's not absolutely free. I've talked about it in a previous video also. It's not completely free, but the knowledge that you would want to gather before you get started with freelancing, that knowledge is available right now on the internet for absolute free. Okay, you don't have to pay. Like I talk about this, I've talked about this in a couple of videos earlier, that if you want to get started as a digital marketer, okay, or you want to get into digital marketing as a freelancer, there is a complete course from Google which teaches you exactly that, and you don't have to pay a penny for that. Those kind of things are freely available. If you want to become a graphic designer, you can actually learn nuances of graphic designing. You can learn how to use Photoshop, how to use CorelDRAW or some other techniques. Everything is available on YouTube and you can get started for free. That part is free obviously, but then you have to buy a camera, a microphone, your laptop. Those things obviously are not free. Those you can consider as an investment in your business. So these are the 5 points that you can think of or you can keep in mind when you are deciding or you're just thinking whether you can get into freelancing or not. Okay, so if you think that this video has given you some information, and if you think the content is good, please give me a like, and don't forget to share your views or your suggestions in the comment section below. If you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, and also click on that notification bell so that all the content that I'm going to produce in the future comes up to your YouTube screen at the very start itself. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching. Again, if you have any queries, please ask in the comment section. I answer each of your queries in time. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.